Alright YouTube, we're back, and in this one we're going to be doing a low taper with nothing off the top, but we're just going to fade it up to the long hair he has on top. Alright, so to begin the cut, we're going to start off by setting our bald guideline, and I'm using my wall retros to set this guideline. Alright, so now we're shaving the bottom portion with our Bronze Series 9 shavers. And we're not going all the way up, we're leaving some room because it tends to leave a hard guideline. And that way we can come back with our trimmers and get rid of that guideline. With our Babyless Gold FX, we're going up like an inch. Try not to go too high because it's a low taper, so we want to keep it lower. But make sure you go through the guidelines like multiple times. Don't just go through it once. Make sure you go like at least 3 or 4 times to make sure everything's evenly cut up. But to get rid of that guideline we just created, we're using our fading down method. So we're just closing the lever little by little. Our next step is to make another guideline, and I'm using the 1 guard open, and I'm just going up like an inch. Now we're closing the 1 guard, and we're trying to blend out that line between the no guard to a 1. Since our 1 guard close didn't get rid of that line, we're going through with our 0 guard and we're closing it. We're just flicking out. Make sure you flick out before the line, because if you flick out past the line, you're just going to be creating another guideline. So we're just trying to flick out before the line. Our final guideline is going to be with the 2 guard open, and we're just going up again like an inch. To get rid of the line between the 1 guard and the 2 guard, we're going with the 2 guard close, and we're just flicking it out. Since there's still a line there, we're going through with our 1 guard open, and we're just flicking out before the line to fade it out completely. With our 3 guard open, we're just going to go all around the head. There was a faint line created by the 3 guard and the 2 guard, so we're just going to go through with our 3 guard close and try to flick out that line. So the back taper is going to be a little different, and we're going to be using the box method so we can keep the back line up a little darker. It's the same steps, we're just fading up in the shape of a box. So right here we're just going up like about an inch with our no guard open. You just want to make sure you keep that box shape when you're creating your guidelines. Our next guideline is going to be with the one guard open, and we're just going up like about an inch. And the final guideline is going to be created by using the 2 guard open. Now we're just going to use scissor over comb to fade up to the long hair he has on top. So right here we're just adding some Kiss Express hair enhancement. Alright, that was the cut. If you guys liked the video, please give it a like. Comment down below what kind of haircuts you guys want to see next. And if you guys are wondering where I get any of my tools, I'll have a link to them in the description below. PC, YouTube, PC.